just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with the Luvme here once more. Really like the packaging. It's a gorgeous purple, and it looks like, you know, you're getting a little gift, you know, with this little ribbon here on it. So the first thing I'm seeing the wig, and then I got a goodie bag. But before I jump into that, I got a comb. It's really nice, a white tooth comb. I also got information booklet. That's everything in the box. That's me. You know, it's stating your hair care and refund and return policy and all that good stuff. So yeah. So in the little bag, it's branded Luvme. You have your little goodies. I got this. I got 2 pairs of lashes. I like the fact that they gave me a variety. These are really nice. You know, it's really nice. It's branded Luvme as well. I got a pair of earrings. I love these scrunchies. I got one of these. And lastly in the bag, I got a pop socket. That's really nice. This is cute. This is really nice. I love the fact that their goodie bag was a little different from most of what, you know, I've been getting recently in the packages. So it's supposed to be 24 inches, but it's looking a little longer. Please check the description box for all the specifications. It's giving very nice. It's giving a very nice, soft, virgin hair texture. It's, of course, of a natural 1B tone. It's like nicely layered. Like I can see light layers in it. It looks really good. It does have flyaways. But you know, once I flat iron it, it seems like it's going to really lay nicely. So we're working with a HD lace, invisible HD lace front. It's nicely plucked. It's lightly plucked as well. You know, these laces are delicate, so if you want to go in and give it more graduation, be very careful. Okay, does come with an extra elastic band on the inside, so it can be more snug. Then this allows you to, you know, if you want to go ahead and wear it glueless, you can do that. It also has adjustable straps in the back, and it's branded Luvme here in the back of the wig. It also comes with a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap, and the lace, it's already pre-bleached and tinted, so you don't need to go in and do any of that. These kind of laces, they're very breathable. Of course, you know, they come off more natural, and you know, I've been doing a lot of these laces since recently. So yeah, it's nicely dense as well, but it's not like heavy, but it does have a little weight to it. Okay, so just so you know that it is a 13x4 lace front, just so you know. And yeah, I'm so happy to go in and apply this. So let's go. As you can see, I'm just slipping the wig on, and you know, my number one thing to do whenever I do this is first just measure up the hairline area to see if it's matching up with my ear portion. 9 times out of 10 it never does, so I usually have to cut off a little bit around the ear portion just so that it sits around my ears comfortably. And so you'll see where I do that in a few. I really love how soft and silky this hair feels, though. It's really nice and silky and smooth. I didn't get a lot of shedding. I did get shedding, but not a lot. So you can bear that in mind. Yes, I was still just lining up everything, looking at how it looked. So for today's install, I did Got To Be spray, and I just did a light layer of that right across the hairline. I did it in half, so I did 1/2 first, and then I moved on to the next side. As usual, my dryer on cool air. I never do hot because I want it to actually stick. If I do heat, that's gonna be unbearable and painful, and it's gonna be a mess. So I took my time and just did that right across the hairline. So once I was done with the entire hairline, I moved on with my elastic band to help to press everything down further and just have it looking seamless. This works every time, guys, trust me. Invest in an elastic band. So I did this in portions. I cut away the lace, the excessive lace in portions. I started with the sideburn area. So you guys know I like to do my little sideburn action. You don't have to, especially if you're not into like swoops or baby hairs. You know the drill. You know, the hairline does look nice and natural. It's minimally plucked. So as I mentioned initially, if you want to go in and pluck further, go ahead. I'm done with the lineage, and as I said, you really don't need a baby hair, but I did the two swoops. Very nice, looking really good, feels really good, the movement is nice. I love that. So haven't straightened it or anything. I'm gonna ensure the top here is nice looking, so I'm gonna use my hot comb to lay it really flat. Okay, so I've said this before, this hot comb is no joke. You see how bulky it was looking before, and then once I laid this on top, it's just like, it's laying so flat. Yeah, that's exactly why I got this hot comb. It's the real deal, okay?
I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
So you see how flat that laid? Now I'm just gonna run through everything with my flat iron, get it really nice and buttery straight.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
It turned out so nice, easy to straighten. It was so easy to straighten, and like once I used my hot comb to flatten down everything, got super flat. So I love the look of that. As I said before, I'm gonna be sure to put the information on this wig in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and feel free to check it out if you want to order this wig. I feel like it's really nice in terms of the straight texture. Now that it's straightened, I'm not seeing much of a flyaway, so that is nice. And I didn't apply any product to it, you know, I really didn't. So it looks really good. Shout out to Luvme hair for today's wig look. It's a vibe. I love it. Looks really good. Shout out to them. Did I get shedding? Yes, minimal shedding was there, so bear that in mind. But it's something you can live with. It's not nothing like outrageous where you can't live with. The density, the flow, everything 10. That's it for today's wig look. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.